Looking for the best DeWalt miter saw to level up your workshop? Stay with us because we're ranking 5 top models from weakest to absolute beast. And trust me, the top pick is a game changer. Let's kick things off with the most basic option in the lineup, the DWS713. It's the smallest and lightest of the bunch, and while it doesn't bring any fancy extras, it still has a place in a beginner's toolkit. This compact 10-inch single bevel saw is ideal for quick, straightforward cuts. Think of it as a no-fuss workhorse for small projects. Now, it may not have the raw power or massive cut capacity of its bigger siblings, but for simple trim, baseboard, or DIY tasks around the house, it gets the job done. The tall fence can handle crown molding up to 4.5 inches, and the motor spins fast at 5,000 RPM, giving you smooth cuts in soft wood. But here's the catch. No sliding rail, so cross-cut capacity is limited. It's also a single bevel model, which means bevel cuts only go in one direction. That can slow you down if you're switching angles a lot. And with no shadow line or laser, you're relying entirely on your eye and blade alignment. If you're just getting started or need a compact, reliable saw for occasional use, the DWS713 is a solid entry-level option. It's all about simplicity and portability. By the way, if you're interested in any of the saws we're talking about today, links to the best prices are down in the description. Next up, we've got the DCS361M1, a cordless sliding model that brings some serious portability to the table. If you work on job sites or hate being tethered to an outlet, this might be your dream setup. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and powered by a 20-volt battery that gives you around 180 cuts in standard 2x4s. This saw punches above its weight class in terms of flexibility. That sliding action lets you handle wider boards than the last model, and it even has DeWalt's LED shadow line, which is a huge step up when it comes to cutting accuracy. Plus, the overall build feels tough and well engineered, just what you'd expect from DeWalt. But it's not perfect. The motor isn't brushless, which means it's not as efficient or durable over time. And while it can slide, the action feels a bit rough when under pressure. Also, changing the blade can be a bit of a headache, especially compared to others in the lineup. This is an awesome option for mobile contractors or anyone needing a battery-powered saw with decent capacity. Just remember, it's a bit of a trade-off between portability and raw cutting power. And hey, if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe button for more honest gear reviews. Now we're stepping things up with the DWS715. It's still a single bevel saw, but with a larger 12-inch blade and more cutting capacity, it's a great middle ground between compact and powerful. If you like the simplicity of the DWS713 but need something more robust, this one's for you. With this saw, you're getting a tool that handles deeper cuts, like slicing through 2x8s and 2x6s with ease. It holds calibration really well, and its cam lock and detent system makes angle adjustments a breeze. Dust collection is better too, especially if you hook it up to a shop vac. Downsides? Sure, it's still single bevel, so you're stuck flipping the material for opposite angles, and it doesn't have positive bevel stops between 0 and 45 degrees, which makes fine adjustments a little fiddly. Also, no built-in LED or laser. You'll have to rely on good old-fashioned eyesight. The DWS715 is a strong choice for serious DIYers or pros who don't need a full sliding saw but want a little more oomph than entry-level models. It hits that sweet spot of size, power, and price. Fourth in our lineup is the heavy-duty DWS779, a sliding compound saw that delivers serious performance. This one's a dual bevel, which means no flipping boards around, and with a massive cutting range, it's ready for serious jobs. This saw is built to handle wide boards and tall moldings with ease. It's got linear ball-bearing rails for smooth slides, plus depth stops for advanced cuts like lap joints. The build quality is outstanding, and it has a professional-grade feel straight out of the box. However, it's missing one big thing: the LED shadow line. Unlike the top-tier models, you won't get that extra level of cut visibility, which can be a letdown in low-light situations. It's also on the heavier side, and the dust chute tends to clog more often than you'd expect. That said, if you want premium performance and don't mind skipping the LED feature, this is a beast of a saw, ideal for serious carpenters or anyone handling wide material on a regular basis. And finally, the best of the bunch, the DWS780-QS. If you want it all, this saw delivers in spades. From cutting capacity to precision to ease of use, it checks every single box. This is the top shelf model DeWalt fans swear by. It's got a powerful motor, smooth dual bevel action, and a sliding mechanism that handles up to 16-inch crosscuts. The LED shadow line is incredibly accurate and you don't need to calibrate it. Adjustments are quick and easy, and the saw holds angles like a champ. Of course, it's not light. This saw is big, heavy, and takes up serious space. The price tag is also on the higher side. And while dust collection is good, the built-in curtain system can clog if you're not using a strong vac. If you're a contractor, furniture maker, or hardcore DIYer who wants the best, this is the one to go for. It's built like a tank and cuts like a dream. That wraps up our rundown of the top DeWalt miter saws. If you want to check out the current prices and grab one for your shop, hit the links in the description. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a new tool review.